Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick update video. Printer's been running great. I've got a few videos in the queue to answer some questions I've received about the printer, but I just wanted to let you know that with this printer, I let it sit here for 2 weeks and haven't printed anything. So between just being gone and being busy with my day job, I haven't printed anything. I had jobs, but I just haven't had time to run the printer. So I literally just turned the printer on for the first time and look at it. No issues. If you had an eco solvent or a solvent or some other type of printer, you would be having a fit and having to clean it. I didn't have to touch a thing. So that's one great thing about the HP Latex series printers, is that there really is no maintenance. You've got the maintenance cartridge that is automatically cleaning and doing all that stuff. Like, I literally had the machine powered off. It wasn't in sleep mode. It wasn't doing periodic pushes through any lines. Like, it was off 100%. So if you're thinking about getting a printer and you're like me and you don't print every single day, go with latex. Great option. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Keep the questions coming and stay looking for those updates. Have a great one. So the printer or the cutter is cutting these stickers, but I did want to show you here. I ran the job 3 times just because I personally don't like, this is 250 stickers. I don't like doing them in one large batch because I don't want the skew to get screwed up. So you can see I ran this job 3 times, and the last time I ran the machine was on the 7th. So not quite 2 weeks, off by a day, but between the 7th and the 20th, it literally was powered off. So super satisfied with the machine and how inconsistent I can be with my printing.